once again, YouTube and audience. I'm Indy Blackburn, and I'm going to show you my final pack opening for Theros, which is one of these packets, and I'm going to do, for the first time and probably the last, a sweep of all my cards in one video. So I'm just gonna, actually I'll show you them one at a time. So here goes. One soldier token. Not much said about that. Pretty much 1/1. We have a mountain card. Good for the Reds. I'll just move over here slightly. You can see the cards better. We've got the commons, Leaf Crown Dryad, which is sort of a nymph. It's got a bestowment of 4 and gives 2/2. We've got Chosen by Heliod, one of my favourite enchantments. When Chosen by Heliod enters the battlefield, draw a card. Enchanted creature gets +0/+2. This one, Staunch-Hearted Warrior, 2/2, so he's 4 to bring out and has heroic. So whenever target spell goes on him, he gets +1/+1. We have a black Boon of Erebos, one of the deadly cards in the game. This one probably for TJ to use in his black mono deck. Return creature, target creature gets +2/+0 until end of turn. Got a nasty side effect though. One of my favourite white cards, Leonian Snarecaster. When it enters the battlefield, you may tap target creature. Acts like Master of Diversion, but not with the follow-through attack. Feral Invocation. That is an enchantment aura with flash. Enchant creature, and then enchanted creature gets +2/+2, which I like. Fate Foretold, which is blue, low cost to cast. Enchant creature. When Fate Foretold enters the battlefield, draw a card. When an enchanted creature dies, its controller draws a card. We have Thassa's Bounty, high cost of 6. Draw 3 cards. Target player puts top 3 cards of his or her library into his or her graveyard. We've got Laguna Band Elder for white, cost of 3. When Laguna Band Elder enters the battlefield, if you control an enchantment, you gain 3 life. So that's pretty good. And the last of our commons is Priest of Ariasis. This works well in a Boros deck for 3 and a plain. Her ability, when you sacrifice Priest of Arias, destroy target enchantment. Like if there's a pacifism on the field that you want to get rid of, she can use that ability to get rid of it. Onto the uncommon, Battlewise Hoplite. works well in the Azorius deck. As you can see, 1 island, 1 plane to cast. He is 2/2. He is heroic. Whenever you cast a spell that targets Battlewise Hoplite, put a +1/+1 counter onto Battlewise Hoplite, then scry. We've got another sorcery card here called Vanquish the Foul, which you can see Elspeth defeating the Hydra, which I haven't done yet. It's 6 to bring out like Thassa's Bounty. Destroy target creature with power 4 or greater, and then you scry 1. My next uncommon is Triton Fortune Hunter. He is heroic, so whenever you cast a spell that targets Triton Fortune Hunter, draw a card. And my rare card is a common rare card called Ember Swallower. This card is a common rare because it's found on the intro pack for red in most shops, like my local shop, War Game Supplies, and Ember Swallower can become monstrous for a cost of 7 after an initial cost of 4. Monstrosity 3, if this creature isn't monstrous, put 3 +1/+1 counters on it, and it becomes monstrous. When Ember Swallower becomes monstrous, each player sacrifices 3 lands. No wonder they call it an Ember Swallower. I understand why now. I'd be pretty scared if that was in my opponent's deck. We've seen the extras. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed my marathon of videos. I would just like to say hello to a few of my friends. That's TJ, Ty, Jonathan, Mubs. You're all very good at your own decks, but I know that there are a few block constructed tournaments that could come up, and there are a few decks I've created, so hopefully I could run them past you and hopefully win with them one Friday night. All Friday night is Magic Night, so this is the final time for the holidays that out of the holiday package that I'm gonna say good luck, God bless, and good night, and for the 4th time, goodbye. And I hope you've enjoyed this special edition of my pack opening. Good night, everyone.